Hi, good afternoon, everyone. We all know that there are many martial arts that can help us battle, but boxing can really help us fight and progress. Learning boxing is a way of how we are going to be able to have a movement for development. Boxing has its positive effect to us, like the benefits of boxing and boxing for fitness. Boxing for fitness is we are going to have a good shape and have discipline, improve our health, and release our stress. And boxing, it will be more helpful to us if we become a great boxer because we can earn a lot of money. Besides, the benefits of boxing is we can defend ourselves if necessary. Uh, Whenever we encounter some stranger that will have a bad intention to us, we will be able to fight just for self-defense. Furthermore, boxing is really important for a woman to be able to prevent them from being harassed or something bad like being raped. Um, Learning boxing is really important to us, and it is essential for those people who have short temper and hot-headed. Nothing relieves than punching a heavy bag or think that you are hitting the person you really hate the most. So all of the things that I mentioned is really important for us to learn boxing so we can have a movement for development. Thank you.